Hold up. Huawei is back with a bang. Say hello to the Pocket 3, the sleekest, smartest foldable you've never seen yet. This is Huawei's answer to the Galaxy Z Flip, but with that iconic Huawei flair. It's ultra compact, super premium, and folds perfectly into your pocket. We're talking a larger outer display, a refined hinge, and a body that just screams elegance. Under the hood, rumors point to a next-gen Kirin 5G chip, blazing fast speeds, and up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. Expect Harmony OS 5 to bring sleek animations, enhanced multitasking, and next-level foldable UI features. Camera-wise, Huawei's pushing boundaries again, likely a 50-megapixel main sensor with AI enhancement and advanced stabilization. Plus, folded halfway for hands-free selfies and vlog-style videos. And yes, it's got stamina. A 4,300 milliamp-hour battery, 66-watt fast charging, and even wireless power sharing for your earbuds. All packed in a phone that folds. Now here's the catch. It's launching first in China, but global fans, stay tuned for MWC 2025, where Huawei might just drop the Pocket 3 worldwide. Are you ready for the most compact foldable of the year? Hit like, drop a in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech drops.